Smoking is not permitted, including on the outside decks. Emergency life jackets are located in the seating areas on both first and second decks. Directions for donning life jackets are provided on each deck. Ring buoys are located on each deck, and lifeboats are located on the upper deck. If you have any questions, please locate a crew member and they will gladly answer them. In the unlikely event of an emergency, remain calm. You will be instructed and directed by the captain and crew. Please be sure to remain with your belongings throughout your trip. Do not forget to gather all of your items when you disembark the vessel. Thank you for riding the Alameda Overland Ferry Service, and we hope you enjoyed your ride.